Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video I will show this audio format is not supported in MX player. This problem showing when I open the video in MX player. Let's see how to solve this problem. Open on phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, scroll down, tap on MX player, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete, tap on three-dot menu, tap on reset app preference, tap on reset. Go to Google Play Store, search MX player, search MX player and update your MX player if available on Play Store. Again open on phone setting, scroll down and tap on sound, tap on volume, increase your media sound. Thanks for watching full video. Don't forget subscribe.